Saturday morning. Look at Megan's hair. It's not as perfect. I think she fixes it before she does a video every morning, but that's just my opinion. Let's check on Chase. See how he's doing this morning. Oh, you doing okay? Sort of.
He's foaming
Making
up
bubbles. Yeah, he was having a rough morning. But he seems like he's doing better now. He's a happy baby.
You
Look at him.
happy?
He gets all ready for the camera. He starts smiling. Starts posing. Looks all happy. Well,
I'm pretty sure he's just pooping.
he's just pooping.
You're still recording?
Yeah.
Can't see you. You're so black.
Oh, man. Can't see me because I'm black. That's so racist.
Oh gosh.
It's too early.
Okay, I'll just get that part.
Just get out of here. Look at the bed. You're worried about that? Show us the sheet.
Oh my goodness! Well, I don't want to see his weenie in there.
Dude, it's gonna seep through. Oh, look it. It went on our mattress now.
Ugh. Look what you did, bud. Well, get him off. He exploded when John was changing him. He's still in the blankets, babe. Get him off.
He's all happy. He's all relaxed. Should just put him down here.
Yeah, so that happened. I don't know how many times I've told John not to change him on the bed, but does he listen? No. Now he's in there taking a bath. Stinky butt. So that's washing now. Hopefully it doesn't leave a yellow stain. Then we'll have to buy some new sheets. But now it's cappuccino time. Yeah. This stuff is so good. I love our Keurig. It's a little strong, so I have to add sugar and cream. There's only 2 more. Yeah, that's what's going down right now. Maybe some bacon and eggs. Sounds good to me. He's asleep. And he's asleep. One of my friends got me this for him. And he already spit up on it. Guess he was just marking it. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Alright, I'm on my way to do a side job. Some computer work. Got the kiddos along with me. Should be fast and easy, so hopefully, you know, quick $100 for 10 minutes of work shouldn't hurt. And after that, we plan on going shopping.
Yeah, with our tax money.
Yeah, I got our tax return, so you know that's what people do when they get their tax return.
Pay bills too.
They, you know, get like thousands of dollars, and then they're rich for a month, and then they're broke the next. That's our plan. So.
He looks so angry right now. He's being kind of cranky. Are you a cranky butt right now? Yeah, he's been crying for the past like hour. But he looks kind of content a little bit. And there goes his head. So we were just at Best Buy and now we're going to Target because we're looking for a new vlogging camera. We've been using my phone and my iPod and it's just taking too much space and it's killing my phone battery. So yeah, we're gonna look for a new camera. He's been sleeping since we left. Look how cute he is. Hopefully he stays asleep for a while.
Alright, I just got my new camera from Best Buy. Pretty excited. Did a little shopping, as you can see. Got a new hard drive as well because I just need one. No, I'm running out of space, and yeah, I have like close to 6 terabytes. Now I have 9 because I just bought a 3 terabyte hard drive. Yeah, video editing takes a lot of hard drive space. Yeah. So.
Thanks for sharing.
What? So now we're on our way to BJ's for my uncle's birthday dinner. We're gonna go celebrate his birthday there, and yeah, I'll see you at the restaurant.
But first, baby's gotta eat.
Ice cream with peanut butter.
He's on a date with us.
We're here with my uncle. It's his birthday, so we just got done eating dinner.
Oh, you're recording?
He turned 42. 42. And I just guessed. I was gonna say 45.
Still
I'd have
looking
been
younger than my nephew.
Oh god.
'Cause I'm a pimp. It runs in the family.
Yeah.
His daddy was a pimp. So we're like 55.
This is a family show, I promise. But yeah. Thought I'd just check in. Babe, are you having fun? What'd you have? What is it?
Clam chowder.
Let's see. We have more friends. There's Kristen. Michelle. Rachel. There's Pinky. Second appearance. She's getting famous with us.
Okay, that's enough on me.
So we're home now. We're just hanging out. Huh. We're just hanging out. Huh. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna end the vlog here. John's over there trying to edit them all. Guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.